Hello, I'm Juan. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So yesterday I told you to follow my Insta, and yesterday I got locked out of my Instagram account. So there goes that. If you want to follow my backup, that'll be cool. I'm gonna throw it in right here. But yeah, aside from that, we hang out with Cookie Money, and he let me ride his dirt bike. I never rode a two-stroke before, so that shit was cool as fuck. I appreciate you. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, first startup, we just helped Cookie Money change out his battery. Said he'd been sitting for like 3 years.
Yeah. So you know you got good work. Oh yeah, I think it do go to the back. It go like to the gas tank, and then I just curve them down.
Okay. Yellow. Brand new. I'm trying to drive this Hellcat without fucking spinning the tires. Sweet Jesus. Oh, let's go. Like, comment, almost.
No. I got this. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that good stuff.
Cruising through the city, letting that thing run after not running for 3 years. That must feel so good. And he's slapping. Maybe coolant? We got a little overheating. Just a little bit. There you go. Alright, we pulled over a second, let his car cool down. It was his cap on the radiator that was a little bit loose. So we just tightened that up, let the car cool down. We back on road. He got bars for a tight spot like that, going both ways. This thing's a runner. Bro did such a good job swinging it. thought you ride 450s, B.
Ooh, kicking the 450, that's so hard.
Yeah.
That's a bitch.
Yeah.
Is it hill? Is the hill close?
Bump started.
Bump start this bitch.
Try it with a choke a couple of times. Right, choke up.
There you go.
Yeah, the sweet spot on the girl, man. Make her come.
Oh, there you go. It finally spitted a little gas out too.
How to choke off? I bet you choke off if she hit.
Wow. You gotta give it a little gas or no?
These ones don't got gas bubbles. Huh? That's only for like when we was little. Huh?
Yeah, the ones you press and shit.
Yeah.
Damn, that just brought back flashbacks.
That's like not been a gear.
Yeah.
My foot's all hurting and shit.
Yeah. I got tired hell of it.
Have you been trying to give it a little gas or no?
Yeah.
It sounds like it's right there.
Sound like you
My
got
foot
it
hurt.
almost right there.
This big two-stroke?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this big two-stroke.
Not this is 125.
Kick it.
This is 125? This bitch is so fast. This bitch is fast. God damn.
That shit's hella fun.
What gear did you make it up to?
I think I hit like 4th.
I think I only made it to 4th.
Yeah.